Good morning, this is Giselle Polito, and I like to show it to you a little bit about my program, my web application, which is called My Family. Sorry, it's called My Members, but uh, I will use my family members for this app. So we have created all these templates here. We have a message error if the link is not in there. We have this main index template. So if you can see here, the title is Family Hipólito Corso, which is my family. And then this is a comment that I was trying to just to test, but this is my code for my family. We are using a table, which use a model with a SQL database. It basically is a first name, last name, and an ID. So, and then we are able to update and we are able to delete. So for this case, we have this tag, article tag, just to delete this based on the object ID and this update. It's reference to an article, which is members ID too. So let's take a look of our final code here. Here it is. So as you can see, we are connected now. So if you see, we can connect it. If we put another, just a random stuff, so we have this error. And this is because we need to check something here. So we have this kind of error is because we need to go here to my word settings, and then go here and then set false. And then we can run this again. So just one thing, we need to close this up and run again our server. So now we are able to just try this up again. Oops, I cannot find the file you request because this is another template. So this template is here, is for this error because Django, when a template or a URL is not in there, so Django will automatically look for 404.html file or template. So and then here we just put this info, oops, I cannot find the file you requested. Dear team member. Okay, and then we need to, where is the terminal? Sometime, yeah, okay. We need just to close and then go again, run again the server, and then, oops, I cannot find the file you requested, your team member. So this is how we can populate. But anyway, let's go back to our main members template. So here I want to add my pet because my pet is like part of my family. So the name is Cabo. The last name of the family. So Cabo Hipólito. And I just added. I was, doing some tests, that's why I have this number ID 12 because in the previous example, I was testing, deleting. So when I create a new team member, it's automatically this ID. So yeah, this is the way I create my code. So if you see, we have update HT template. We have this is just a test, and then we have this one to create a new team member. So basically, this is my code, and I hope you like it, you enjoy it. If you have any questions, please text me. I'll be able to help with a few knowledge that I got from this. The Django was very amazing. So, okay, bye bye.